Chery Tiggo, center speaker installation, dual voice coil. Use a pry bar to pry off the center speaker grill. Start prying from the inner ring. Unscrew the positioning buckle on the inside of the glove box. Remove the side damping rod. Unscrew the screws of the lower guard plate. Find the plug on the right below. Pinch the buckle in the middle of the plug, pull out the plug. You can use a flat head screwdriver to assist. Install the non-destructive adapter. Install it between the plug and socket. Tie the wire and the speaker wire, and tie them together with tape. Pass the wire through the speaker opening to the glove box below. Connect the speaker wire and adapter plug. Then plug in the speaker plug. Put the white screw buckle into the hole. Install the speaker screw. It is recommended to cover the cover after listening. Please refer to another video for the tweeter wiring.